Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing 5 winter lipsticks that are perfect for dusky and brown skin tones. This list includes a mix of nude and bold shades. So whether you like soft everyday lips or statement looks, there is something for everyone. The first lipstick is from L'Oreal Paris in the shade Worth It Intense. This is a warm brown nude shade with rosy undertones and it looks stunning on brown and dusky skin. It's one of those shades that instantly gives you a face a polished and put together look without looking too bold. The formula has smooth satin finish, so it feels very creamy and comfortable on the lips. It glides on easily and doesn't feel heavy on drying, which makes it a great option for winter wear. ये लिपस्टिक लॉन्ग लास्टिंग तो नहीं है because it's satin formula. It does transfer a little and may need touch up after eating or drinking, but it fades evenly and still looks nice on the lips. तो अगर आप न्यूड ब्राउन लिपस्टिक ढूंढ रहे हो that works perfectly for everyday wear, this shade is definitely worth trying, especially if you have a dusky or brown skin tone. Next up is another L'Oreal Paris lipstick, and this one in the shade 124. This is a deep plum maroon shade that looks extremely classy and elegant on dusky skin tones. The formula has a satin finish, so it feels very creamy and comfortable on the lips. पहले वाले के जैसा ही इसका फॉर्मूला है. मुझे ये शेड पर्सनली बहुत पसंद आया। ये बहुत ज़्यादा बोल्ड नहीं है, बहुत ही प्यारा शेड है और एक लिपस्टिक वैसी होती है ना जिसे लगाने के बाद आपका फेस इंस्टेंटली ग्लो करने लग जाता है। ये बिल्कुल वैसा ही शेड है, बहुत ही खूबसूरत लग रहा था। वेस्टर्न वेयर पहनो या फिर इंडियन वेयर, दोनों के साथ ये शेड परफेक्ट जाएगा। इट डजंट ड्राई आउट द लिप्स एट ऑल, which is great for winter because it's a satin lipstick. It's not extremely long lasting and you will need a touch up after a meals. But if you love rich moisturized lips with a bold winter vibe, this shade is a ब्यूटीफुल चॉइस। तो एक बार इस शेड को तो जरूर ट्राई करना। द थर्ड लिपस्टिक इज फ्रॉम मार्स कॉस्मेटिक्स एंड द शेड इज बर्न आउट। दिस इज अ वार्म ब्रिक ब्राउन शेड. On dusky and brown skin tones, this shade looks very flattering and gives a rich winter vibe without being too overpowering. The formula is a creamy matte, so it glides smoothly on the lips and feels quite comfortable. It doesn't feel heavy and it's not extremely drying, which is really important during winter. In terms of longevity, the lipstick is not very long lasting. You will need a reapply it after khane pine ke baad, but the good thing is that it fades evenly and doesn't become patchy, so it still looks decent on the lips. Pigmentation is good, especially for the price. So, if you are looking for an affordable bold winter lipstick, this one is definitely worth trying. Next, I have this lipstick from Swiss Beauty, and this is from their Select High on Shine Creamy Lipstick range. The shade I am wearing is called Ultra Nude. This is a soft nude brown shade that looks very elegant and flattering on brown girls. It's the kind of nude that doesn't wash out the face and works really well for everyday makeup, especially during winter. The formula is creamy with a mirror shine finish, so it feels very comfortable and hydrating on the lips. It's enriched with vitamin E, which helps keep the lip moisturized and prevent dryness. Something जो हमें ज़रूरत होती है इस winter season में, because of the creamy glossy texture, the lipstick is not long lasting and it does transfer. Overall, if you prefer comfortable glossy nude lipstick over matte ones and you are looking for an affordable everyday winter nude, this shade Ultra Nude is a great option. Okay, before I say anything else, we need to talk about this lipstick. This is Kiro's Ladybird Red, and honestly, this is one of my absolute favorite lipstick. Like, if I had to pick one red lipstick for winter now, this would be it. This is true classic red that looks insanely beautiful on dusky and brown skin tones. The moment you apply it, your entire look just come together even if you are wearing minimal makeup. The formula is an airy matte, which means it feels super lightweight on the lips. It's comfortable, not drying, and doesn't feel heavy at all even after wearing it for hours. It's also long lasting, so you don't have to worry about constant touch ups. Yes, after heavy meals, it might fade a little, but the color still stays and looks flattering. Another thing I love is that this lipstick is vegan and cruelty free, which is always a big plus for me. Overall, if you love bold winter lips and you are looking for a red lipstick that actually complement brown skin beautifully. Ladybird Red is that lipstick. Trust me, this one never disappoints.